Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a real ID in New York. So a real ID is helpful because it is a federally accepted ID. You can use it to board domestic flights within the United States and enter certain federal buildings. So if your New York license or ID does not have a store or a flag on it, that usually means it is not the real ID compliant. So to get started, go to the New York DMV website and open the page for Enhanced or Real ID. Once you are on this page, you will see information about the different types of IDs. You can choose between a standard ID, a real ID, or an enhanced ID. So for this video, we are focusing on the real ID. The first step here is to check which ID is right for you. So a real ID can be used for photo ID purposes, boarding domestic flights, and entering certain federal buildings. But if you want an ID that can also be used for land or sea border crossing from Canada, Mexico, and some Caribbean countries, that would be the enhanced ID instead. After that, scroll down to how to apply section. The next step here is to gather the documents that you need. The DMV has a pre-screening tool that helps you know exactly which forms and documents to bring. And click the Get Pre-Screened button and answer the questions. This can also help you complete a downloadable application that you can print and bring to your appointment. And make sure that your documents are correct before going to the DMV. So for a real ID, you need to bring the required proof of identification or identity, and you also need 2 proofs of New York State residency. So these can include accepted documents like a New York license or ID, a recent bank statement, a utility bill, or a recent pay stub with your current New York address. So once your documents are ready, the next step here is to visit a DMV office. You will need to submit your documents in person. You can also check the instructions and reservation information for your county. You know if you need to make an appointment before going. So for the fee, there is no extra charge for a real ID, but regular transaction fees can still apply. If you choose an enhanced ID instead, there is an additional $30 fee. And after you apply, you will receive a temporary document. Then your new real ID should arrive in the mail, usually in about 2 weeks. And that is how you can get a real ID in New York. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.